Hello, and thanks for your interest today in our tech help video. The title of our video is how to change a Lanair nozzle and install it without damaging the quad ring. A few safety precautions first. If you use this video, you are agreeing to use it at your own risk. Be sure to let the unit cool down and clean all the ash out of the unit, especially when it's soaked with oil or antifreeze, because it may burn uncontrollably. Now, how to change a Lanair nozzle and install it without damaging the quad ring. This applies to Lanair burner models MX, HI, and FI. They use a straight nozzle stem. It does not have an O-ring back here. None of them. Most waste oil heater use this style nozzle. That will not work in these model burners. Okay, let's take the nozzle out here. The nozzle should be gently tight. Loosen the nozzle. Take it out about 6 or 8 turns. And then pull it out of the quad ring. Okay, good. The quad ring stayed in the burner. Sometimes the quad ring comes out with a nozzle like this. Sometimes the quad ring does not stay in the burner. It comes out with a nozzle. If you put it back in like that and tighten it up, you will destroy this quad ring every time. And then the burner will go brrrr because it's mixing the air and the oil. Or it will go woof, 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 like a dog barking or a machine gun. The oil and the air mix. If the quad ring does come out with the nozzle, no problem. Just drop it back in the burner and take a 1/4-inch Craftsman nut driver and work that thing back up in there. Get a light and make sure that it's in properly. Make sure it's seated down there in the block. And oil the quad ring and put the nozzle back in. Tighten it 6 or 8 turns. And then just tighten it a little bit with the ratchet. There, that's all you need. Okay, this Lanair nozzle is actually one piece, but it's actually 3 pieces. I'll take it apart here so you can see how it works. Loosen the top acorn nut, screw the top off. There's an acorn nut. That's the top piece. There's the spinner, and then there's the straight stem with no quad ring on it, or no O-ring. To put it back together, be sure you put it uphill. Put the spinner on top. That way it can't get sideways. If it does, it'll destroy itself. It must be like this. Put the spinner on there. Put the acorn nut on top. Tighten it down. And just Now it's all one piece again. And blow it out backwards. Make sure you can see through the nozzle. If you can't see through it, it's not clean. If you have problems with your burner and you need a reconditioned burner, we have them in stock. Call us, we can help you. Or if you just have technical help issues, if your burner still doesn't run right, see our technical help page on our website. It's 8 pages long. And you can print it out and take it right over to your heater. Go to centralohioheaters.com and click on our technical help page. You can print it out and take it right over to your furnace. There's lots of helpful information there. Or see our videos page. We have other helpful videos also. Hope this video helps you, and thanks for watching.